Trader. This is the last call of the day, so we'll take a look here at crude oil and at natural gas. At the end of the video, the support and resistance levels are posted. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, selling stock, commodity ETF. Please like, subscribe. Thanks for watching. All right, here we have crude oil daily and weekly chart. Now you can see here on crude oil here, we had another down day here going on. Even though they said there's a possible hurricane, doesn't really seem to make a whole lot of difference here on the old crude ski. Now, Saudi Arabia and OPEC, they're going to have their meeting here on October 2nd, but right now they're looking at those voluntary cuts. They're going to keep on extending those, and they might even cut more. But, I don't know. Seasonality's in play here till the first week of December, and then you can go long for a little while, but really until mid-February, crude is on a downside. So I don't know what they're gain. I just think it's going to go much lower than what it is right now. I'm currently long the SCO. I have been long. You're up almost 6% there today just on that trade alone. Okay, here's what we have here today. So far we had a low of 65.27, okay? So what we did is we've been factoring all these candlesticks here, and we're blowing right through them, okay? So here we have a 65.38. We got just a little bit below that today. Your next level here that you're going to be looking at is 64.36, and then we're going to look at here at this 63.64 level, okay? So tomorrow I might have to get just a big weekly chart on there to spread it out because we could go right down to 57 level, 55 level really, really quick here, okay? So the key is going to be holding this 63.64. If we don't hold it, then we're going to go much, much lower. Now, here on the upside, you really have to get back above this key price channel sitting at 67.17. If we key in here, then we just follow these candles right on up here, okay? So then you're looking right there at 68.96. Level here, but realistically, you're looking at that 70.17 level. But the key is going to be to 67.17. Now that we lost it, now you have to try to regain that to go higher, okay? Again, if you can get above this 70.17 level here, then what we do is we just mark it right on up here. We go to 70.82, and then we have that 71.46 level, which is basically the bottom of that candle. Then we can rally up 72.20 there, 72.58, but really, realistically, you're looking at that 73.55 level. For this to go up there, you're going to have something really, really dramatic. Can't see it happening right now. You got complete waterfall, 8-day, 21-day. Look at your 50-day, cross your 200-day, your 100-day, about to cross 100, your 200-day. This is bearish. I've been telling you that for weeks here now, that this is just nothing but bearish. Ever since we had this double top situation, you put that series of lower highs in here, all these double tops right here. That just tells you, if you look at reading the charts here and trading the charts, this is just going lower. There's no ifs, ands about it, okay? So you look at your RSI here. Well, this could definitely go lower. I mean, you're not into oversold yet. You're getting close, but you're not there. Your green way below your red. This is looking lower. Same way here. Same way here. There's nothing positive about this at all. So what you really want to do is just watch this key, the next key level, which is going to be 64.36, and then 63.64 level here. And then if that's lost, I mean, you always have those round numbers of 60, but I think you're going to hit. You could possibly hit 57, maybe even 55 level here before you say, I'm actually going to take a long on this. Now, today I didn't take any longs. I'm just holding my short because I don't see any possible way here. Matter of fact, I've been scalping the short. Even though I'm holding 5,000 shares, I'm just scalping the short also here because this is just looking very, very bearish. There's just nothing positive here. So what you want to do is just watch out for that key level there, 64.36, and then watch that 63.64 level. Those are your two next targets. Okay, let's take a look here at natural gas. Now, natural gas here, we're trading in this range. Okay, we had that contract roll up here, and then what we're doing is we're staying above that 21-day. So look how many days that we had a sideways action going on here, which is, I remember here when we had this sideways action, it went on for months. Okay, so I'm not saying this is going to go on for months, but again, we have to see where we can all, break through this resistance level. So let's look at the upside first. So what we're really watching here is that 200-day sitting at 2.25. Now, you notice that right now, natural gas is sitting at 2.238, so you're right below that 200-day, okay? So you trade the charts, it's all right there for you, okay? So just watch that 225 on the next side, upside, and then what we're going to do, we're going to be watching right here, that 2.30, that is your price channel, which is basically just the top of that candle right there, and then we're looking at the 100-day right there, it's sitting at 2.315, okay? Now, again, if we break above that, then we have a lot of really nice targets up here, 2.35, 2.38, 2.45, and then we can come up here all the way up here to 2.48. And then we can just, we can go here to the bottom of that candle. You're looking at 2.59 here, and we have 2.60. That would be your targets. And then we just follow the price channels all the way up. But again, that doesn't mean anything unless you can close back above this key 2.3 level here, okay? So downside, very, very simple. We're holding it here on a closing basis, and that's really all that matters. 2.196, that's that 8 SMA. That's your key support level. We go below that, then you're going to look for the next level at 2.16, and then we have 2.15, which is your 21-day. Now, again, if that's lost, we can just follow the candles down. But when you look at the bottom of today's candles, you had 2.125. And then we just come over here to the left where you have 2.117. So here, what you got is a possible double bottom situation. We got to see here if this is going to blast right on up here. So you want to watch those futures tonight on crude oil and on natural gas and pretty much on anything that you're trading at 6 o'clock when they reopen. We got to see how this is all going to shake out. Another thing that's been a good market mover here for natural gas is the EIA report on Thursday at 10:30. That's been given some good buying opportunities and selling opportunities here, okay? So right now, what you really just want to watch, just watch that 8-day. That's going to be very, very key. Watch that 50-day. That's going to be key. And then right below it, we have this 21-day. That is going to be all a key situation there. Now, again, if that's lost here, then we can follow. We can go all the way down to 207 here, 202, 197, your gap and your fill. And we can retest all this here. But right now, with the seasonality in play, I don't think that. I think we're just going to go sideways and hopefully going to break right on out of this. Okay, so right now what we have is just upside. Just watch that 2.25, watch that 2.30, and then watch that 2.31. We close above that, and then we can start going just the opposite here and reversing and going right on up. That's going to be very key. So as long as that price is above that 8 estimate like we have here, then we can look for a trade that's going to go higher. So this is what I'm watching here. And I'm looking for eventually we're going to get a nice breakout here going into the wintertime. And then was just going to take this much higher. RSI here looking very good. 54, you got plenty of room to run. Your green over your red. Very, very good. Natural gas, I'm long. Crude oil, I'm short. Just that simple. Okay, I'll be back here tomorrow morning before 8 o'clock. And we will do it all over again. And remember, trade what's in front of you, not what you want.